RCME has been a proud benefactor of various institutions under the Ramakrishna Mission and Sarada Vidyalaya order at a total value of 3.57 crores. The following are the projects undertaken. Improving the infrastructure of Ramakrishna Mission Polytechnic College by providing vocational training equipment like lab machinery, hydraulic and pneumatic equipment, and a state-of-the-art computer-integrated manufacturing system. Providing computer-integrated classrooms, computers, labs, classroom furniture, and libraries for school under Ramakrishna Math and Sarada Vidyalaya. A unique training program for dyslexia identification and remediation for 1,600 teachers. A brand new basketball court for the Ramakrishna Ashram Boys School. RCME is well known for its significant initiatives in the sphere of medicine, having helped enhance medical facilities in many hospitals serving the poor. Some of our major initiatives include equipping an entire ICU and providing ventilators for the operation theatres at Hindu Mission Hospital, equipping the ICU of the Voluntary Health Centre at Tharamani, donating a cancer screening bus called Arogyam Bus to Pennalam, an NGO dealing with women's health. With an ultrasound machine and biochemistry analyzer, it benefits nearly 1,000 underprivileged women every month by facilitating early detection of cancer and spreading awareness about it. It was rated as one of the top 20 worldwide projects of the Rotary Foundation during the Rotary Centennial and was the only one selected from India. The club, in association with Tanker Foundation, runs a dialysis center at the Corporation Diagnostic Center at Nugambakam. It's a 17-bedded hospital providing free critical detection and dialysis to 75 patients from the lower income strata every month. RCME actively participated in COVID relief endeavors, and our total contribution to help combat it amounted to $925,000. Ventilators, concentrators and battery-operated caddies were provided to government hospitals. The much-needed oxygen plants were provided to Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital and the Police Hospital so that we never again face the shortage of oxygen. The 2015 Chennai floods left many school buildings submerged in water, causing extensive damage. RCME took on the responsibility to renovate and rebuild 25 corporation schools. With CSR from Cognizant Foundation, we upgraded the 25 schools at a cost of Rs 3.75 crores.
Thank you, Revati. After dedicating 18 months for COVID-related support at RCME, we thought it is time to focus on cleaning the huge backlog in services created due to pandemic-driven lockdowns. This year's plans, as digital education will be the way forward, we at RCME are installing smart class infrastructure by providing interactive LED display with learning content for Vivekananda Education Society and other identified schools at a cost of 1.5 crores. We are building toilets for men, women in high footfall localities of daily wage workers, thus focusing on the water and hygiene initiatives of Rotary International and the government. In the healthcare avenue, we are providing support for conducting 500 pediatric heart surgeries for the poor in partnership with Apollo Hospitals, a project costing 7.5 crores, of which RCME's contribution is 1.15 crores. We are equipping the fully blind youth by providing artificial intelligence-based smart vision devices, enabling them to read computers, books, and manage navigation. We are donating 300 such devices costing Rs 75 lakhs. We are providing neonatal equipment for the pediatric ICU ward at Child Trust Hospital costing Rs 45 lakhs. And we are setting up a 11-bed dialysis center at Urban Primary Health Center where a dialysis is free for the poor, a project costing of Rs 1 crore. At our vocational excellence centers in Thorepakam and Alvapet, we are increasing our capacity by adding more students where we teach plumbing, tailoring, tally, financial services, BPO, paramedical, and baking. Lake Restoration, Meyavaki Forest in Nagaram and Perungudi, and Nutri Gardens at Tharamani projects worth rupees 1.5 crores are the flagship projects in the Environment Protection Avenue this Rotary year. All these projects have started and are getting momentum with the support of well-wishers, RCME donors, and CSR funding. We hope to complete all these in the next 9 months and fulfill our burning desire to serve, to change lives. I welcome all of you once again to this prestigious Dr. KVT Award function. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, President Rotarian Srinivas Rao, for giving us a glimpse into all the wonderful work that is done by the Rotary Club of Madras East. We are indeed proud to be Rotarians. I now request Rotarian Anita, Chairperson of the KVT Award, to tell us more about the award.
Good evening, everyone. Rotary Club of Madras East, RI District 3232 hosts this prestigious Dr. KVT Award every year in association with Kaveri Hospitals. The award was instituted in the year 2006 in the name of Dr. KVT, who was the honorary member of our club. The award is presented to the eminent personalities who excel in their medical profession, maintaining impeccable standards and with sense of abundant social commitment. Every year, this award is presented in the month of October to coincide with the birthday of Dr. KVT. The 2021 award is being presented to Dr. Sai Satish, the Senior Interventional Cardiologist, for his selfless service in healthcare and for propagating health and lifestyle practices, as he is for cutting edge of cardiac procedures and teaching. With pranams to Dr. KVT, who is not amongst us, we move on with his divine blessings. We request your kind attention to the screen, where we will be seeing a short video on Dr. KVT and the award that carries his name. Thank you.
Nothing gives a greater pleasure to a teacher than to see his students prosper. It's like a father who feels happy when his son passes the IAS exam. Nobody is mediocre. Everybody has got the potential. As I said, if we have this, namely competence, compassion, finally the character. The way you treat people can be a mix of purely professional with a humaneness and extraordinary humaneness. Teaching is learning. It is the latter that is important. You don't teach unless you learn. Precision, thoroughness, complete dependability is important. So I hold as the highest standard of medical practice, maintain a diary of doubts. Remember, this diary of doubts is very valuable. When you get a doubt in the ward, or when somebody says something about a disorder, or a drug is mentioned to you, and you don't know about it, best to note down immediately and check that night. Don't postpone to any other day. A sick man has a right to grumble, the right to cry, a right to complain. It is something like a pedestrian is always right on the traffic. A sick man is always right. He may provoke you. You should not be provoked. My prayer is that you all should prosper, do well, and above all, uphold the highest traditions of the profession. Thank you.
On behalf of the Rotary Club of Madras East, we are indeed honored to be able to present this award in the name of Dr. K.V. Thiruvenkatam. I now request Rotarian Ramakrishnan to please introduce the awardee to the audience.
It's my honor to introduce our distinguished awardee, Dr. Sai Satish, today. He is an internationally renowned senior interventional cardiologist at